Welcome to our channel. Router versus switch. What's the difference? Why people confuse routers and switches? They look kind of similar, sure, but they do different jobs. And if you've ever tried to set up your own network and got stuck wondering why nothing's working, this video's going to clear that up for good. What a router actually does. This device is the middleman between your home network and the internet. It takes the connection from your ISP and sends it out to your devices. Think of it like your network's gatekeeper. What a switch does inside your network. Now, a switch stays inside your network. It doesn't talk to the internet. It just connects your local devices, your PCs, printers, cameras, whatever, and makes sure data goes exactly where it's supposed to go within the same network. Simple way to tell them apart. The router gives you internet. The switch gives you more wired ports for your local setup. Router equals internet access. Switch equals local expansion. You use both together in bigger setups, but they don't replace each other. Tech side. Layer 2 versus Layer 3 explained. Little bit of the nerdy stuff here. Routers work on what's called Layer 3 of the OSI model, that's IP addresses. Switches work on Layer 2, that's MAC addresses. So routers route data between different networks. Switches switch data between devices on the same network. Can you use a switch instead of a router? You can't just plug your internet cable into a switch and expect it to work. The switch doesn't know how to hand out IP addresses. It doesn't do NAT, no routing, nothing. When a router alone is enough. If you've got just a few devices, a couple of laptops, a phone, a console, the regular Wi-Fi router is fine. It already has a built-in switch inside it. That's why most people at home never even think about switches. Where switches really shine, when you go beyond home networks, like offices, schools, or server rooms, that's where switches become essential. You'll see managed switches, VLAN setups, power over Ethernet ports, all that stuff. Speed difference. Why switches move data faster? Here's something worth noting. Switches are faster when it comes to moving data inside your network. If you transfer files between two PCs on a switch, it's lightning fast. Example. Small office network setup. Let's say you've got a small office with 10 computers. The router that comes from your ISP usually has like 4 LAN ports. That's it. So, you connect a switch to one of those router ports, and boom. Now you've got 8, 12, 24 ports depending on the switch you buy. Thank you for watching.